Hi, Daddy Fred, Mommy Rems, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm higda-higda.
Why?
Very cold here in America. Oof. Very cold.
How about Daddy Fred?
I'm studying in language, English.
Let me see. What is that?
What's that, Frida?
He's trying hard
Dictionary?
to learn English, Jud. Ay, bakod. Get up! Kay aron mag-exercise.
Exercise man ko karon.
Sige, unya na lang po. Unya na lang.
Exercise ko, kadyot lang. Ay, naman ko. Dahil nihil man ko ganina. Frida! Atog na!
Ay, palabi!
Ay, bugnaw. Balik ko. Atog na!